It was a beneficial rain. It just kind of all came down at once. So this was today, and that's not including the past 2 days where we did have significant rainfall, especially along the coast. And again, this was beneficial because these coastal areas have been so dry recently. Now, if we look at radar, we do still have some storms. I'm just very impressed by this cell right here because it just keeps going and it is still producing some lightning. I thought by now it would have fizzled out, but it just has enough energy to just keep going strong. So those of you in Hernando and Pasco County, you will hear a rumble of thunder out there, see a flash of lightning, and get a good downpour, especially if you are on that eastern edge of the county line, kind of east of I-75, moving into 275 there, and just sliced in between I-4, closer to Lakeland as well. We're also seeing that rain. There it is. So we're just taking a zoom in there, and you can see, get a better idea of the neighborhoods. US 92, that's basically where it is right now. And then we also have some very isolated cells that are moving through other portions of the area around Bradenton, close to it, Sarasota, Manatee, Sarasota County. We're just generalize that. And also those barrier islands, Anna Maria Island, likely seeing good pour, hearing some thunder and seeing some lightning in the distance if you are along those barrier islands. So just be aware of that. Most of these are just riding along the coast as far as the southern locations go. And again, we have those showers and storms that are currently moving out of Pinellas and Hillsborough County and moving northward. All right, dew points are very high right now. Our dew points are in the 70s. You can feel that air as soon as you step outside. It's very heavy, right? And all that moisture that we've had in the atmosphere, that has been leading to these downpours the last couple of days. Thankfully, we do have some drier air that will start to sneak into the forecast as we finish off the weekend and move into next week. And that keeps our rain chances a little bit lower and kind of returns us back to that normal pattern for summertime. It is Florida in summer, summer in Florida after all. And today was more typical to what we usually see for this time of the year. The last 2 days, that was a little bit excess of rainfall. All right, temperatures right now, we are in the mid 70s and lower 80s. It is, again, a very warm and humid night, and it's really going to be the theme as we move into this Father's Day weekend. For tonight, 78, again, that 40% chance. Most of that rain is starting to fizzle out. Could still get some showers to an isolated storm in the overnight. That's definitely not out of the question. We certainly have enough moisture to work with. This is around 3 a.m. I think this model is overdoing it a bit. As we move into about 6 a.m., you see things are much drier. A couple clouds by tomorrow morning. And really, we're dry throughout tomorrow morning and the first half of the afternoon. And then here we are around 3-4 o'clock, and those storms start springing up again. But again, this is getting back to our typical summertime pattern that we normally have. All right, 7-day forecast here for Father's Day, even drier than tomorrow will be. Again, any rain we do receive would be in the evening hours. And hey, next Friday is the summer solstice.